Good morning, dear students. Today we'll start the third chapter of science, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. The first word we came across is fibers. What are fibers? Fibers are actually a thread or filaments. You can see that there are some things like food, textile, or minerals that are made up of these threads, which are called fibers. In nature, we can see fibers naturally present, they are called natural fibers. Whereas some fibers are made by man, they are called synthetic fibers. Natural fibers example are cotton, wool, silk, whereas synthetic fiber example are nylon, polyester, rayon, etc. Here you can see some example of fibers like cotton fiber, coir, and some mineral fibers like steel, synthetic fiber also. The fibers are made up of small repeating units. The small unit are called monomers. They join together to make large units, which are called polymers. So in a polymer, there are lot of monomers which are joined and which are all of same structure. A very good example of a natural polymer is cotton. Cotton is made up of so many monomers of glucose joined together and they form a polymer called cellulose. China was a maker of silk, and silk, due to its beautiful texture, was fascinated by everybody. But nobody was knowing the process of making silk because China kept the secret closely guarded. So different countries tried ways to make artificial silk. Finally, they succeeded in making silk by treatment of cotton, and the product that was obtained is called rayon, which look similar to silk. It is called artificial silk. Rayon is obtained by chemically treating cellulose of the cotton by some chemicals. Due to the treatment of these chemicals, the cellulose convert into shiny silk-like fibers. Rayon can be combined with cotton to make some clothes like bed sheets, or it can be mixed with wool to make carpets. Here are some examples of rayon fibers which is being made in the lab using chemicals. Some advantages of rayon are they are soft, comfortable, absorbent, inexpensive and versatile. Disadvantages are they can shrink and wrinkle easily. They are low resiliency, that means they cannot adapt to different conditions easily. They are heat sensitive. They cannot bear too much heat, then they can catch mildews, and they can only be cleaned by dry clean or hand wash. The first fully synthetic fiber was made in 1931. It is nylon, which was made by using water, coal and air. This fiber is very strong, and because it is so strong, it can be used to make parachutes, ropes for climbing, and the common nylon material that we see daily is nylon socks. Dear students, we do an experiment to see the strength of the fiber. Different fibers have different strength. In nature, you can see that the spider web are very strong fibers. Then natural fibers are strong, but as you know that nylon is very strong, you can do the experiment to see which fiber is stronger. For this, we hang a weight with the help of the fiber thread. The fiber thread that we are comparing should be of same length and same thickness. We will record the data, make a table and see which at what weight a fiber breaks, and we can compare that which fiber is stronger. Another important synthetic fiber is polyester. As the name suggests, polyester is made by combining esters. What are esters? Esters are some chemicals that are present in the fruits that give a specific pungent smell to the fruits. Now ester can be of different types present in different fruits. These ester when combined together, same type of ester when combined together, they form a polyester. Polyester fiber has specific characteristics like they are strong, they are resistant to stretching and shrinking, they are resistant to most chemicals, they dry quickly, they are crisp and they can adapt to wet or dryness, they are wrinkle resistant, mildew resistant, they are abrasion resistant, they are not affected by a lot of heat, and they can be washed easily. Different types of polyester fibers are terylene, terrycot and terrywool. Polyester can be mixed with other fibers to obtain desired result, like polyester plus cotton will form polycot, polyester plus wool will make polywool, and terylene plus cotton will make terrycot. We will discuss other synthetic fibers in next part. Thank you, dear students.